What's going on, guys? Big Time on 10 here. Today, I want to show you an unboxing of the DJI Mini Fly More Combo. So with that being said, let's get into it. Now, if you want to buy one of these, you can go ahead and go to Best Buy, DJI.com. They're around $500. I was able to get it for cheaper than that in Prime Day, so lucky me. And I was already looking to buy one because I wanted to learn how to operate a drone and, just mess around with it. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. We have the carrying case, which feels kind of heavy, so I'm assuming the stuff is in there. And we have another big box. What else do we have in here? We have some other little boxes, so let's take them out. Put them in there, put that one there, and let's see what else. And one more. All right, that's it. Okay, well, let's move this out of the way for now, and let's check this out. All right, so the case feels really nice and sturdy, good quality material. Feels like it's gonna protect whatever's inside. I like it. That's a little strap. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, and here is the drone. Okay, it's pretty light, but it has a good build. Like, it's not cheaply made, and you know DJI doesn't make cheap stuff. Okay, well, we'll set it to the side for now and put it back in there, and we'll come back to it. Let's just check out everything else that's in the box. Okay, let's see the controller. All right, here it is. And this is the controller, guys. I can tell you right now that it feels really good. It feels really sturdy, has a real heft to it, nice feel to it. Kind of reminds me of those industrial laptops. It's not cheaply made, guys. It's really, really good. Let me see. Oh, there you go. I was wondering where the little joysticks were. They're tucked in there, so just pop it out. So let's go ahead and screw it in there. That's very dope. And we'll have the other one there, and let's screw it on the other side too. Okay, let's see how. Let's test it out. Okay, feels pretty good. Has buttons on top. Feels really good. Doesn't feel as soft as a PS4 or Xbox analog, though. It feels a little bit more resistive, like more stronger. And we have the camera or the camera bar in the back. Okay, take it off, back in there, and oops, see, that's how they made it like this. The good thing is that when you put it in there, it snaps. So it snaps in place so it doesn't fall off. And then you just fold it, put it back in, and you're good to go. What is this? Let's see what else we got here. Okay, what is this? Oh, I see. Okay, so you get extra propellers in case you damage them. and they come with also with screws. So there you go. Oh, wait a minute. There's actually 1, 2, 3 extra. That's very nice. Okay, and let's continue. Let's unbox this. What is this? Okay, so this looks like it's the charging bank where you would put all the batteries and charge it. Yep, that's what it is. As you can see, it has the power button there, the micro USB to charge, and if you want to charge other devices, you would use it, the USB. And then here we have other accessories. Let's see what comes in this. Oh, there we go. Some more cables and stuff. Let's see. So that's inside. All right, this is a cable, I believe. Yep. Yep, it is a cable. And it's a micro USB. So that's for the charging bank and for the controller. So we'll put that there for now. Continue with the rest of the stuff. This is extra joysticks. Okay, just in case you lose them, there's extra there. That's gonna come in handy. Let's put that there for now. And this is, oh wow, okay. This is a little screwdriver. So when you wanna change the blades, there you go. You don't have to be looking around for one. You already have one. Nice. I like that they included that. Yep. So let's put it here for now. Okay. Get rid of that. Right here we have another cable. We got 2 cables. They look identical. Same micro USB. Almost, I think, the same length. Yep, micro USB both. Okay, let's set them to the side for now. Let's continue. What is this? And these are the adapters, guys. These connect to the side of your remote control to your device. So as you can see, this one comes with a USB-C for your newer Android devices. So if you have a new Android device with USB-C, boom, there you go. That's your adapter there. But what about if you have iPhone? Not to worry, because this one also has an iPhone. As you can see, it has a lightning cable, or lightning port to say. And what about you guys with older Android phones? There you go. Micro USB. So not to be left out, if you have an older phone with a micro USB, they have an adapter for that as well. Okay. So let's see how it goes here. Let's try it on. Okay, so it has one end, it has a USB-C, and the other end has a data port. So the data port goes there, right there, and then you would plug in your phone there. Ah, okay. So, okay, makes sense. And then we'll have to take it off, put it away, but it's a little hard. Guess you gotta pull. There you go. That's very nice. Let's put this back in here. All right, let's see what's in here. Move this to the side. Move this back here. All right, so here, what I'm assuming is it's gonna be like guides, so you can read all the information. Yep. We'll just read it later. In the meantime, let's just put it back in there and move it to the side and keep it moving. Okay, so next we have these two boxes. This one's pretty heavy, so I'm assuming this is the batteries. Yep, I think that's what it is. We have 3 of them there. Let's go ahead and open them, and let's go ahead and put them in the charger already. I'm not sure how many milliamps batteries are, but we have 3, so we'll have enough juice for at least an hour. Okay, they go in there, they snap. That's a little click there. That's how you know that it snaps in, and you have to press that button to snap out. But they're very secure. Let me see if I can pull it out. All right. It's a little hard to take it off, but hey, at least you know it's not gonna be falling off. Okay, and here it is with all 3 batteries in there. You press the power button, it gives you like a light for each battery, and it tells you how much battery each battery has. So that's very convenient. Okay, let's open this up. I'm assuming there's a power book, so yep, there it is. Nothing else, just that. And there it is. Let's just check out this plastic. Boom. There you go. Not sure how many voltage, but we'll figure it out later. Alright, so let's put that there. Let me check out the cables. Let me see how long they are. Okay, they're about, what, 12 inches, maybe? They're not that long, they're really short, but it's okay. I have so many cables, so I'm not complaining with that. At least they included some, unlike Apple and their new iPhones. But anyways, that's another story for another time. Okay, let's go ahead and put that to the side, and let's see what comes in this big ass box. Okay. This. Let's see, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, I see what this is. These are the indoor guardrails. That way, if you crash or you get near something, it won't stop your propellers and your drone will not, crash. Okay, so let's go ahead and take up all these stickers out of the drone, and we'll take a closer look at it. All right, so a lot of stickers. They want to make sure that it's secure. Gonna take that one off too. Okay. Okay. This is how you open it. All right, that's pretty cool. Feels like I'm opening a Transformer toy. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, I did it wrong. Hold on. That one goes first, so that one goes down. Pull that one out, then those two at the bottom, and we should be good. Boom. There you go. This is actually pretty cool, guys. I'm not gonna even lie. This little drone is really, really cool. Just remember that this one you don't have to register because it's under 249 or it's under 250 grams, so it's 249 grams. But if it goes over 250, it needs to be registered. I don't know about other states or other countries, but in the United States and Canada, you have to register if it's 250. So let's just say you put a light on it or some stickers, then that adds another gram, and that makes it 250, and you'll have to register it. I already plan to because I'm probably gonna upgrade from this drone to a bigger drone later. But here, guys, let me just show you. This is where the battery goes, the SD card, and you could also plug in directly the micro USB cable and charge the current battery that's inside. It's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, and let me take this guard off right here for the gimbal, and there you go. That's the camera right there. You can control that up and down. put that back up there and just cover the camera. Just protect that gimbal real quick. And there you have it, guys. The DJI Mavic Mini with the Fly More bundle. Now, anybody that's interested in picking one of these up to learn, I would highly recommend you to do so you can learn and have fun and just discover it. So guys, thank you for everything. Thanks for all the subscribers that have been subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.